the 2001 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a crew cab pickup truck with a short bed, powered by a 6-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission. This 4-wheel drive pickup truck with fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer gets up to 18 miles per gallon. This GMC features premium wheels, tilt wheel, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player, power door locks, and cruise control. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.